if there was ever a fighter jet that represents an animal, this one would represent the honey badger. Introducing YOAV HOZMI F-16A paper model. This aircraft in real life doesn't give a I would just like to thank you all for making this accessible to anyone who would like to try their hands at it. This kit is originally 1/30th scale. Links will be in the final build for you to download. I've learned the hard way that it's very important to follow his instructions to the T, and this include cutting out and how to join the formers. Careful labeling of each part is very necessary. And also the position what they should be in. And now we'll be cutting out the bulkheads. This is what we will put along the spine. Always my trusty Cryolite glue. Any glue can use, but for just quick build, development, and holding parts in place quickly, Cryolite glue every time. Make sure when putting in the stiffeners that the arrows align and they're in proper position. Now we go on to the outer support. Same process of putting arrows to show proper alignment. This is a simple yet strong frame to which the fuselage panel can be secured to. Take time to study the fuselage panels. Here I'm going to be making slight scores with the backside of my knife so that it will fold easily. I do these first before I start cutting out the individual fuselage panels. Find yourself a paintbrush handle or any small diameter handle to gently pre-shape the fuselage panels. This way it aids in applying it to the main framework structure. And here we're just doing a test fit. We're not gluing, we're just checking to see if everything is aligned. Now we apply our glue join tabs to be joining the fuselage panels together. Squeeze as close as possible and then find some other method besides your fingers of smoothing out the joint areas. Then you put the stiffeners in the base as instructed by YOAV. Nice. I really honestly like when you try to build something that it comes out exactly the way you wanted it to. Now we're putting in the guide rail to take the lower bulkheads to form where the engine bays and the landing gears would be. So after putting in the lower formers, we should have pretty much a completed framework where we now attach the lower fuselage panel. I'd just like to thank you so much for supporting me. I'd like to thank you so much for following my journey so far. And please stay tuned to the end of this particular series where I can assure you you will have all the downloads you can possibly have from YOAV. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, have fun, and above all, one love.